Ohun tó wáyé nílùú Ìjẹ̀bú Òde yìí mà wá gbẹnu tán. Ọjọ́ 17 oṣù keje ọdún 2026 ìyẹn ọjọ́ Friday jẹ́ ọjọ́ ìbànújẹ́ ńlá lágbègbè Ìmọ̀wó Ẹlẹ́ran nílùú Ìjẹ̀bú Òde. Ohun tó yẹ kó jẹ́ ọjọ́ ayọ̀ fún mọ̀lẹ́bí òṣìṣẹ́ IBEDC kan ló padà yí bírí tó di ohun táwọn èèyàn ń bá káàánú tí wọ́n sì ń sáré ságbàsúlà láti dóòlà ẹ̀mí ẹ̀. Ó ti tó bí oṣù díẹ̀ táwọn èèyàn agbègbè Ìmọ̀wó Ẹlẹ́ran nílùú Ìjẹ̀bú Òde kò ti ní iná. Èyí ló fà á tí wọ́n fi ké sí ilé-iṣẹ́ IBEDC tó ń ṣàkóso ẹkùn Ìjẹ̀bú Òde láti wá rí sí ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀hún. Kété ni wọ́n sì ti rán àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ wọn lọ sí agbègbè náà. Àmọ́ ó jẹ́ ohun tó bani lọ́kàn jẹ́ wípé lákòókò tí ọ̀kan lára wọn wà lẹ́nu iṣẹ́, òun ni wọ́n ṣàdédé múná wá tí ọ̀rọ̀ sì ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yí padà tó di ohun tí iná ń gbé arákùnrin náà. Agbègbè Ìmọ̀wó níjẹ̀bú Òde ní ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ọ̀hún ti wáyé lọ́jọ́ Friday ọjọ́ 17 oṣù keje ọdún 2026. Nǹkan bíi aago 3:30 kù ìṣẹ́jú kan ọ̀sán ní ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ burúkú ọ̀hún náà wáyé. Agbègbè tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ọ̀hún náà ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ló jẹ́ agbègbè kan tí wọ́n ń pè ní Ìmọ̀wó Ẹlẹ́ran lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ilé ìfowópamọ́ Microfinance Bank kan tó wà ní agbègbè náà ìyẹn nílùú Ìjẹ̀bú Òde. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé lẹ́yìn ọ̀rẹyìn orí kó arákùnrin náà yọ látàrí bí àwọn tó jẹ́ akẹgbẹ́ ṣe pé ẹ̀ka tó ń ṣàkóso iná ọ̀hún láti tètè pa iná ọ̀hún tó fi mú kí wọ́n dóòlà ẹ̀. Bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ kò bá ti gbèkuru jẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹbọra. Àlàyé kíkún rèé lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ọ̀hún.
The person you are seeing on this high tension wire is a father. He is also a husband. He is a worker in IBEDC, Ijebu Ode branch. He left home strong this morning to come to work, and reporting at work, he and his team were sent to this place to come and work. Where you see him work now is called Ìmọ̀wó in Ijebu Ode, precisely Ìmọ̀wó Ẹlẹ́ran, beside a popular microfinance bank. So as I was on my way, I saw this and I made my recordings so that all of us can join him and his family to praise God. This man is about to die, but the living God made a way of escape for him. You can see human being. Yes, he's been electrocuted. Yes, you can see him struggling for life. He's a very strong man. He struggled to live and God allowed him to live. From reports, their team came to make some repairs on this high tension wire, and people around said there was no power in this place for a long time, so they came to work. How it happened, nobody knew. We just saw him struggling for life. That means power came suddenly while they were at work. While the men of IBEDC were at work at Ìmọ̀wó in Ijebu Ode today, exactly 3:29. This incident happened by 3:29 p.m. today, July 17, 2026. Today, July 17, 2026, by 3:29 p.m. at Ìmọ̀wó Ẹlẹ́ran in Ijebu Ode, this incident happened. This IBED staff almost lost his life, if not for God's divine intervention. People around noticed that he was being electrocuted and he was struggling for life. So fortunately, maybe after they have called the people in charge of power on and off, the power was switched off. Then rescue team could go up to rescue him. We don't know what happened. We don't know why power came while their men were at work. He almost lost his life. You can see other assistants, the rescue team, they are trying to save him. Thank God that after the power was switched off, he could regain consciousness and was struggling to come back to the ladder. The electric shock has already taken him away from the ladder and was drawing him to all the cables. Wanted to sniff out life out of the man, a father, a husband. somebody's son was just about to lose his life at his working place on point of duty. Who switched on the light? Nobody knows, but the light has been switched off. He was being rescued now. So everyone watching this, please join him, his wife and children, to be giving God praise. He was almost a dead man on the life wire, on the cable, up, many feet above the ground. But thank God his life was spared. This happened today. You can see everyone, we are just looking at him helplessly. He was up, far up, struggling for life because he was being electrocuted by the electric.
Ní báyìí arákùnrin náà ló ti wà nílé ìwòsàn níbi tó ti ń gba ìtọ́jú.